are lots and lots of ways that I could answer that question. So I'm going to give you one of those awful "it depends" answers. Now, here's what it depends on. $30,000 per month from one product. Okay, that's the question. First thing you've got to ask yourself is, do you want to have one product that makes you $30,000 a month? Is it smarter to find 6 products that make you $5,000 a month and target those? I would imagine the answer to that is yes. It is a much safer strategy for your business to set up 6 products that make $5,000 a month rather than going for one product that makes you $30,000 a month. I would think that it's a much better strategy to have that safety net built into your business. So there's that to consider. Also to consider, $30,000 a month. Well, what's your time frame for getting to $30,000 a month? Because you could set up a product tonight that would have the potential of getting you to $30,000 a month, because all you'd need to do is go to, let's just take Amazon.com as our option. Go to the Amazon.com best sellers category, and I believe it is a very, very good assumption to make that anything that is on the best sellers list on Amazon is making at least $30,000 a month. So baby products, Pampers, teethers, toilet brushes. This toilet brush, I would imagine, is making at least $30,000 a month. $30,000 a month from a toilet brush. So you could just go to the best sellers and say, well, now I'm going to sell toilet brushes, and you would have the potentiality of making $30,000 a month. Are you going to make $30,000 a month? No, you ain't going to make $30,000 a month until you've done the right things, which I go through in our training, to create your own version of a toilet brush and to differentiate it properly so you've got something unique. Because if you're just going to try and sell this toilet brush to the folks and try and usurp the stuff that this particular toilet brush has done, then to do that, you're going to need to get over 2,000 reviews, because all things being equal, they're going to look at your reviews. The person with the most reviews, positive reviews, is going to win. Over 2,000 reviews, plus all that sales history, yada, yada, yada. You've got to do all that. You've got to do all that, Kevin. So it's just not a good strategy to copy other people's things. That's why I kind of don't really like answering those questions, because the answer is you can make $30,000 a month from pretty much most things that are on the bestsellers list on Amazon. Will you do that? Not unless you are going to do the work up front. And for me, I could be wrong, but for me, the question of what's going to make me $30,000 per month usually belies I want to make that tomorrow morning. That's what usually is the thought process behind that. And the reality is that's just bullshit. That is some other guru crap. You can make $100,000 tomorrow morning just with this push button software. And it's just bullshit. So I would much rather give you the reality of selling on Amazon rather than the bullshit. And then you can make educated decisions about it. So some things to consider. What is your startup capital? What is your startup capital? The more money you have got, the faster you will get to $30,000 a month. The more money you've got, the faster you'll get to $30,000 a month. Simple as that. Which market are you going to go into? USA, UK, Australia. That will dictate what you choose. That's going to make a big difference to what you choose. How competitive is the niche? Are you going to be up against products like the toilet brush that have got 2,000 reviews, or are you going to be up against this babygate with 8,500 reviews? If you are, you need a strategy to usurp them. You can't just go in with your eyes closed. You've got to put a strategy in place. So lots to think about. It's a kind of interesting philosophical question. It's kind of mental masturbation. But I want to give you the reality of the background to that question. And you've got to think this shit through. You can't just throw a product up, toilet brushes, and expect it to make you $30,000 a month. It's latently potential that you could make $30,000 a month, but there's a whole heap of steps you must go through first to get to that $30,000 a month. The more money you've got, the faster you can take those steps, therefore the faster you'll get to $30,000 a month. You must reinvest your profits, blah, 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 blah. So lots to think about, Kevin. It's an interesting question, but I hope I've given you a more nuanced answer that will hopefully make you think about the best way to build your business. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.